Hi, we have made milk pedas today. Milk peda without using any mawa, milk powder, any colors. We have used only milk, sugar and curds. So welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Let us see how to make milk pedas. Friends, if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen. Press the bell icon to receive notifications. So let us begin by greasing a pan with 1 teaspoon ghee. Greasing it with ghee doesn't let the milk stick. Now let us add 1 liter milk to this pan and we are adding 1/4 cup water to this 1 liter milk. This will ensure that the milk doesn't get burned fast. Always when we are going to condense, it's better to add some water. Now we have switched on the flame and kept the flame high. We are going to keep the flame high until the milk comes to one boil. Now it has come to one boil and we have kept the flame low. Now it will stay low throughout. After a point you can keep the ladle like this. This ensures that the milk doesn't overflow quickly. Of course you have to keep a watch. We have to keep stirring, but for some time you can keep the ladle like that. Now the milk has reduced in quantity by 1/4. Now we are having only 3/4 of the milk left. At this point we are adding 1/4 cup sugar. The milk has not thickened enough, but it has reduced in quantity. This is how we want it when we add sugar. So when 3/4 of the milk is left, we have added sugar. And now we will keep stirring it until it reduces to half. Now milk is reduced to half. At this point we are adding 2 tablespoons curd. And now we will keep stirring it. We have to stir. The next point is till the milk curdles. Yes, now the milk has begun to curdle. From now on, we have to stir until the moisture totally dries up. It has begun to thicken, moisture is drying up. Now, as you can see, the moisture has dried up. There's no moisture left in it, and at this point, we have switched off the flame and we're going to let it cool. Now the mixture has entirely cooled, completely cooled down, and now we are transferring this mixture to a mixer jar. So we are going to grind it, we are going to blend it without adding any water. Now we have blended the mixture and now we are going to start making the pedas. Pinch small portions, but before that, grease your palms with ghee. And then pinch a small portion, roll it like this, flatten it and flatten it in the center. Just press it in the center and then you can add some pista if you wish. We have added 1 pistachio to each peda. Make all the pedas like this. Don't your pedas look so yummy? They are. They are so tasty. You wouldn't want to purchase pedas from outside after this. So do give this a try. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.